Being in DC with students across the A&M system is quite amazing, actually. I grew up in small town West Texas, so just seeing everybody and their experiences, that has been so eye-opening. It's been amazing.
It's a really unique opportunity. It takes you out of our traditional learning environment that we're used to back home and puts us in headquarters of America at the Capitol to learn about issues and learn about policy together.
You have room to grow and learn in any situation. I'll definitely be open to new experiences, challenges throughout my life just because of this experience.
From prioritizing constrained behavior to prioritizing freedom of action.
I was a combat medic in the Army for about 10 years, and I got to a point in my career where I had to decide if I continued in the enlisted route or if I go back to school and challenge myself to take on higher leadership roles. So through A&M, I found the Scholars Program, and that's what has led me to where I am now.
We start out our week going to class Mondays 1 to 4, where we get to figure out how foreign policy and the real world government really works.
We talk a lot about international affairs, public diplomacy, public opinion, and different types of militaries, history over the different types of countries and how they function.
I love being in DC with students across Texas from the A&M campuses. I'm able to experience different perspectives, different learning styles, lifestyles.
We're all from different areas of Texas, so it makes it really easy to all have different things to talk about because Texas is like its whole other country.
The staff was very helpful in helping me to find an internship, and I got into the office of Senator Ted Cruz. Even as an intern, everything you do has purpose. We get to host constituents and lobbying groups from Texas, and it is definitely eye-opening into seeing how these government offices run.
I attend court hearings, write memos, draft retainers, talk to clients.
Here at the War College, the week is more of going to lectures, doing research, and just kind of getting to network with a lot of the leadership here. Filling this knowledge gap in the civil-military connection, it means a lot as a leader, and being able to communicate that down to the lowest level.
Things that can be kind of high stress, I've kind of learned to give myself grace in those types of situations, but it is good to get out of my bubble and to talk to other people.
Take that step towards your future. You never know what opportunities are out there if you let fear hold you back.
It's been one of the best experiences I've ever had in my life. I've met so many new people, I've made such close connections, and it doesn't have to be just a political science student, it could be anyone.
I am very excited to be able to tell students from Texarkana about the program. It means a lot to me because I love my community and I definitely love my campus.
The program staff has just been so amazing through every step of the way, and I just really enjoy being a part of a community.
It might seem stressful, you don't really know what to expect, but it's going to turn out a lot better than you can imagine, so definitely apply for the program.